So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get XP fast in Duolingo. So first of all, open up Duolingo. On here you can see home, you can see your rewards, you can see some other options as well. In order to get XP fast, you can just go and do levels. If you are in the beginner stages of your courses, like I am right here, you'll get XP kind of slowly. But if you click, let's say on here, you will need to complete levels. And you will see sometimes that there's an option to get 2-time experience boost. So if you're doing quite well, you can see more about scoring. You can choose a language that maybe you're more familiar with, and then you can add one more language and you can get a 2-time XP boost by completing the first lesson of Unit 1. So that will be an experience boost because you've added a new language, so you're starting with a different course. You can focus on easy and quick lessons and make sure that you don't make that many mistakes while you do. So focus when you are in a lesson, you will get more XP, since doing 5, 10 or 15 correct answers in a row is going to also give you an XP boost. So make sure that you're precise when you are doing your course or your lessons, and make sure that you do them regularly, since there's a boost for keeping a streak. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duolingo or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.